It is hard to imagine a place more spooky than an abandoned children's garden in the ghost town. But there's a secret chamber inside that we want to find, to stay there. Kids' shoes, that looks damn creepy. It looks scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this place is creepy, guys. There's an awful lot of lockers. There are some shoes in this locker still. I guess during the evacuation, it wasn't really a high priority to pick up all these shoes. There are shoes in each locker. Tiny. With a flower. Kids were running in these shoes like... And imagine these abandoned shoes still belong to someone. Oh my gosh. There are lots of benches, so I guess they held there some celebrations. I think that was a game room. You know the games like clap your hands and so on? I did that when I was a child. What? It can't be true. There he is. It's the real ancient USSR Cheburashka. He is very tired of life. Oh, I know why. It was burned. There is some original color. And it has a tail. It doesn't have in the cartoon. That isn't Cheburashka. It's a weird monkey. Look what Soviet kids were playing with. The scales. There's no pointer. I think that kids could easily get hurt from these toys. They are too edgy and metallic. I can but agree. If one kid threw this car into another kid, that would end badly. Oh, I found a bulb! That's awesome. Let me explain. When I was a kid, I adored getting all these bulbs from toys. I feel nostalgia. That used to be so cool. That was one of the best things I could do in my childhood. Look here. There are some records. Thursday, the 26th of December, 1985, New Year celebration. A walk, pigeons, observation, a lesson about teaching love to birds. That's what nurses did. They taught kids love to birds. So it's the nursing journal, and there was an education program for kids. There's the culture education section, a walk again, 19th. Oh my god, that's close to the explosion. That was 8 days before the catastrophe. Nothing else here. It was the last day. Look here! What is it? A book How to Raise a True Human from Pedagogic Library. Well, starting from Children's Garden, the kids were taught love to socialism and moral. Oh my gosh. I can imagine now the interior, red flags everywhere. You know what, my parents, they really miss those times. I understand it's nostalgia. They say it was cool, reliable and safe. Yeah, something was way better. But something else was disgusting, and people try not to talk about it. Radioactive mushrooms. Look what we found. And there, kids had a nap. Bunk beds, look here. And the bases of these beds are made of wood. It's like plywood. I know they did put their mattresses, but this technology is really antediluvian. Oh, there's some music. Vinyl. Let's listen to what they played for kids. Puss in the Boots. There's a fairy tale on it. I can play it. Can you? With your nails? Sure thing, let's play it. After all, it is kindergarten. Just look what we have found. Look at this bunch of Soviet toy cars. They're awesome. Oh my. Cool, isn't it? And what is this one? I don't have a notion what it was. Oh, with ropes. It worked like this. Kids were holding a rope and dragging the car, and the sound came from it. A toy bed? What? Look at it, this one has springs. A toy bed is soft, but the real beds were hard. There's a fancy toy bear we have found. It looks kind. Awesome. People try to make good toys for their kids. There are some old building blocks. They used to be cool. There are some parts still. Yeah, with bolts and nuts. And I remember the thing too. I see that almost all of their toys are made of wood. People left there so many toys. I wonder why they left so many. Kids played with it. Yeah, and they put on an apron on this teddy bear. That's cute, sure thing. And is this one cute? Cute enough? Look, there is something inside. Some kind of mechanism for closing eyes. They're so wary. Yes, that looks creepy. Oh my gosh, this toy car is wooden too. This one is really rough, hardcore. Have you seen that toy stove? Can we make a real stove out of it? We could fill it with some tiny firewood and install here a pipe. It is a toy, dude. Anton, I know that, but we can make it real, because it is from metal. Oh, there's something black over there. Oh my gosh, it used to be a monkey toy. Yeah, oh my gosh, it's so creepy now. Believe it or not, guys, but we have found the third doll. They all look the same. They have a broken head and a leg. How do you think? Is it possible that someone threw all these dolls all over Pripyat with some weird purpose? Yeah, someone did this. And there was a drawing nearby, this kinda name, Masha. I got it, that girl was Masha who drew that. What does this name mean? Is that Masha alive? Or it was drawn by some Masha before the explosion? If so, she would be Granny Masha at the moment. That is the third site we have found this doll. Have you filmed this creepy doll on the Ferris wheel? Yeah, I did. Have you filmed the same doll on the Jupiter site, right? And there was the third one. I don't know why, but this kinda weird. Such stained glass was often made as a part of interior. Hallucinogenic mushrooms here. Yeah, they're fly agarics. Is this paint faded? Or it's supposed to be this way? It has faded for sure. I'm sure it used to be brighter. Oh my gosh, this looks fresh, like were painted yesterday. Maybe they were taken here recently. Are they hand-drawn? Yeah, it's artist's work. Oh my gosh, this profession used to be on demand in Soviet Union. Only now no one needs artists. Oh my, that is gouache, paint. Yeah, a set of paint. Let's take a look. What these kids were trying to draw. They tried to draw these Soviet trolley buses. We haven't found any shelter in that building. Please write below if you know or have any guesses of where we could live, so no one ever find us. To be continued.